Now, recoding variable. For example, this is our continuous variable, BMI. And we know that if there is condition, if BMI less than 18.5, underweight, BMI less than 18.5, then underweight. 18.5 to 24.9, then normal. Normal. BMI greater than 25, overweight. These are we know this definition. So from the raw BMI, how to convert the categorical variable BMI category? That means underweight, normal, overweight. This is called a recode. So we'll copy. So BMI, for example, BMI cat. So we have to give a conditional statement. Case when the conditional statement means case when. What is the statement? For example, if BMI less than 18.5, then it will be underweight. For example, 1 means underweight. So I use 1 for learning purpose. We don't need to put 1. Second, if BMI greater or equal 18.5 and BMI less than 25, then second category, to normal. And third, BMI greater or equal 25, then we call 3, 3 overweight. So we can give any space, no problem. No problem. And finally, is.na BMI, if there is any missing value, then NA underscore character. Although there is no missing value in our data set, still we should write this for practice purpose. So if we run any error, we don't need no error. So we can check. Yes, this is the normal overweight. This is the underweight. So using this procedure, we can we can make category variable from continuous variable based on a definition. So this is the definition of underweight, normal, and overweight. Using this procedure, we can record any variable. Thank you very much.